Hi guys, so this is going to be a week 4 kind of breakdown and explanation of what's going on this week. I cannot believe this is our 4th week of learning. I'll probably send out another survey at the end of this week just to check in and kind of see how everyone is doing with Google Classroom and stuff like that. So this week we are doing lessons 5 and 6. They are due at the end of the week on Friday. It's a pretty short week. I did not give a lot of work. If you have not finished your project, 100% that needs to be done. So let's take a look at your stream so I can walk you through it. So the first lesson that you have right here is going to be your lesson 5, dystopias and the coronavirus. So basically what I did was you're going to walk through these steps. There is a lesson 5 video where I literally just reviewed dystopias, okay? It's only 5 minutes. And then we put a quick article in here. It's not long, about 5 pages. And then you have a short quiz over both of those. It is only 10 questions. I put the article in here, and all questions about dystopian literature I answer in that 5-minute video. So your name, your class period, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 questions over dystopias that I answer in my lesson 5 video, and then 6 questions about the article that you can find in the article. So it's super simple. Once you finish lesson 5, lesson 6 is right below it. So you'll click on that. It says lesson 6 reflection. And you will see, open the document and you will respond to 2 questions with at least 5 sentences each. Make sure that you push the turn in. I think it's somewhere up here. And again, that this is due on Friday. This is not hard, guys. I really didn't want to give you a lot of work this week, just in case you need to finish your project. So basically, number 1 is think about how the coronavirus has affected our daily lives and the new rules the government has put in place to help us slow the spread of the disease. I'm going to delete that word. Do you believe the coronavirus pandemic has elements of a dystopian society? Why or why not? So you'll do 5 sentences and you can answer here. And then number 2, reflect on how the pandemic has changed your life. How are you doing mentally? What is one thing you have been doing to keep busy? Tell me about something good that has happened during this time. What is something you miss the most about the pre-pandemic times? And what are you planning to do once all of this is over? And again, you can answer here. So you're going to answer those questions and you'll go back to lesson 6 and click turn in. If you did not complete your project, you will see at the top of my screen, we'll have lesson 5 and 6. And then right under that is lesson 4, what needs to be done. So if you have any other questions, like questions about your project, questions about lesson 6, or even lesson 5, you can always ask me through Remind, Instagram, comment on Google Classroom, email me. Literally any way. I always have my phone on me and I will try to answer as soon as possible. So please let me know if you have any questions.